I was a bit nervous at first, but I said to myself, I did the hard work, so let me just come out here and have fun.
What was preparation like into this competition?
Ups and downs, but I stuck with it.
And what's next for you?
Nationals,
You're going for the national?
yes.
Okay, how you feel your chances there?
Good, good.
Okay. What length of preparation did you prepare? What period did you prepare?
I started my prep in February.
And what was the routine like almost daily?
Gym 5 days a week, and the the prepping. That was the hard part.
How difficult was that?
You have to be in the kitchen every single day. Prep a batch, and then before you know it, all gone.